Canva has so many editing options for graphics and images. Select the image you wish to edit to open the settings bar. Select Edit. This will open even more options. In the Tools menu, you can adjust the image to your liking, changing things like temperature, vibrance, and shadows. You can also use tools that can do things like blur the image, erase parts of the image, and so much more. Using the Style menu, you can alter the image using effects like line drawings, cartoon styles, or even giving it a metallic appearance. You can also use preset filters and even add shadow effects. From the settings bar, you can also change the image colors, as well as adding a border, flipping its position, and changing its transparency.